Hey guys, AJ here, back with another one for you. So guys, back to the courtroom. We go back with some courtroom madness. Guys, buckle in for this. We have a typical modern woman here right in the middle and the bottom of the second row. All right, Stephanie Julian, and she's completely lost in court and almost talks herself into jail. So guys, we're going to get into this, but before we do, guys, like, subscribe, drop a comment. It really helps keep this channel going. Check out the lives, guys. Those are in the community tabs. And check out my second channel linked in the description. Guys, they say he or she that represents themselves in court has a fool for a client, and that is definitely going to apply here, guys. Let's get into this.
People.
What do I need to do? Can you guys hear me?
Yes,
I can hear you, ma'am.
Okay.
I believe this is a public defender case, is it not? Or did we
It's
not
an arraignment,
adjourn?
Your Honor.
Right, we adjourned it for, okay. All right, Ms. Julian?
Yes.
All right, you are before the court on a 2-count complaint that alleges that on or about January 24th, 2023, at the location of 2736 Meadow Hills Drive in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, count 1 alleges that you did commit the offense of larceny less than $200. Do you understand the nature of that charge, ma'am?
Yes. But I
That is a
didn't steal any.
misdemeanor?
It was mine.
Hold on. I don't want you saying anything about the offense. I just need you to understand what you're charged with. Do you understand what you're charged with, ma'am?
Yes.
That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. The fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property, which is the subject matter of the theft. If that's greater than $500, then that would become the maximum fine. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Count 2 on that complaint, that it alleges that at that same time and at that same location, that you did commit the offense of malicious destruction of personal property less than $200. You understand that charge, ma'am?
Yes.
So she stole something and then broke it. In that chronological order. And guys, check out the guy on the bottom right as this knucklehead here in the middle is being dumb. Okay, watch.
That is also a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $500, that would, or property destroyed, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. The first question that I have for you, ma'am, is do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
There it is.
No.
Ah!
Can I ask you a question real quick? Was I supposed to swear?
Well, what are you going to ask me, ma'am?
Oh, no. I thought you.
Look at both these guys. Look at Conrad and this other guy, James. Like, what did she just say?
I had to swear in before you started. That's all I'm asking.
No, you don't have to swear in.
Okay.
All right. You don't want to be represented by an attorney, ma'am?
No.
Okay, what do you intend upon doing in this case?
What do you mean?
Pardon?
I'm gonna take what I got. I mean, the thing on his Porsche was not his. Or
Hold on, ma'am. I'm going to stop you.
Okay.
Right to be you. Anything you say to me or say at this proceeding can be used against you in this offense.
There it is, guys. There it is. Guys, please, please, please don't be like this knucklehead right here. If you find yourself being detained by the cops, if you find yourself in a police station or in court, guys, get a lawyer. Get a lawyer. Okay? Guys, I am not anti-police over here. I'm pro-good police, anti-bad police. But guys, the police are not your friends, and the courts are not your friends either. Okay? Don't be this lady here. Don't be her.
Okay.
And so I don't want you saying anything that might prejudice your case or any defenses you have. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
All right. Now, ma'am, I'm going to ask you again, do you want to be represented by an attorney at least to help get you through this process, explain the process to you?
No.
Look at all their faces. They're like, what is this woman's problem, dude? And guys, props to this judge for actually, like, you know, trying to educate this woman. But look at the guys on the screens next to her, dude. Oh man.
Okay, so then, ma'am, what are you going to do on this case?
I'm going to tell you what happened because.
No. All right. That's not how the process works. All right. Are you telling me you want to plead guilty to these offenses?
I mean, the thing is, it's not.
Well, hold on. I don't want you saying anything about it. I asked a question. Do you want to plead guilty to these offenses? Is that what you're telling
Yes.
me?
He's trying to help her, and she's. And guys, look, here we go. Watch this.
Is that what you're telling
Yes,
me?
I did. We
Oops.
have it on camera. Yes.
What? Okay. Ma'am, I get the sense that you don't understand exactly what you're doing.
That's putting it lightly.
No, I don't.
All right. So if you don't understand what you're doing, why wouldn't you want an attorney to help you through this?
That's a great question.
To
Okay.
explain all the process, go through and make sure all of your rights are protected. Why would you not want that to happen?
Okay, then I will.
Okay, so I'll ask you again. Do you wish to be represented by an attorney on this case?
Yes.
Thank you. This is a public defender case.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Miss Julian. We will waive any further reading, stand mute to those charges.
Meaning that this public attorney is like, shut up. Don't say anymore.
And we'd request another pretrial date.
Okay, I'm confused.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, Miss Julian. Just hold on a moment, okay? We'll get you through some of that confusion. Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea on her behalf at this time. I will, because I think there's going to be some extensive explanation. Pretrial in this matter will be adjourned then to November 1st, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right?
Can I ask a question?
Here we
Go
go.
ahead,
I'm
ma'am.
asking if I can. Is David or the cop here?
Okay, they would not be required to be here at this time, ma'am.
Well, the paperwork that I had said that it
Miss-
would be dropped if neither one of them showed up.
Miss Julian,
Okay.
Look at her lawyer like, shut the fuck up, please.
I'll give you
Okay.
a call and explain everything to you
Okay.
after today.
Okay, you got my number and everything?
Bond will be set in the amount of a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. I'm going to order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons or firearms. There's to be no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. I'm going to also order. Okay, I almost hate to ask, but I have to ask. Who is David Julian?
He's my brother.
Okay. At this time, do you need to have or think that you need to have contact with David?
No, we've tried and his wife tells him he can't talk to me.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to do, man.
So it was something involving his brother and her brother and her brother's Porsche. She's tried to steal something off it or break something off it or whatever. They're probably arguing and she got out of pocket, ended up in jail. So
I'm going to indicate there's to be no contact with David Julian.
good.
Okay.
Okay. And the Meadow Hills Drive address, is that his address?
I'm assuming he moved there a couple years ago. I don't,
Okay. All
It's
right. So I'm just going to indicate you're not to go to the 2736 Meadow Hills Drive. Okay.
mhm.
All right. Anything else, counsel?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
All righty, thank you. Miss Julian, make sure to talk to your attorney. It'll all become clearer for you, okay?
Yep.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Listen to that just entitlement in her voice. Listen to that arrogance. She's lucky that this judge, he stopped her so she wouldn't talk herself into pleading guilty and just going to jail, right? Now, guys, let me ask you this. Do you think that they'd give this judge, he's pretty fair. I mean, I've watched more of his stuff before, but do you honestly think that most judges would have done this for a guy? Of course not, right? They want us in jail, making friggin' license plates for free. So, all right, you guys, I'm gonna drop the link to this channel in the video in the description, guys. Check out my second channel, guys, and I'm out of here. Have a good one.